All right, so we're gonna start in the hood area here. Get you a real good look. Lots of wires everywhere. Oh, it's echoing. That's weird. Yeah, I never understood why people do this. I mean, I guess you need wire out there. Make it look nice. Jeez, come on. Look at this. I don't know how the hell that was ever working. And hell, two of the wires are just gone. Anyway, this stuff runs all over the place. We got a Ruga horn. Here's a bunch more wires just laying there. This nasty, nasty stuff here. We got all this up there. All that crap back there. Oh my gosh. You know, I'm kind of afraid to start this up like this. I probably ain't ever gonna start. Look at that crap down there. Here's a good test. Let's check out what's in here. Hello, hello. That's empty. At least we got a radiator cap and there ain't full of bugs and shit in there. I did fix that spring right there. And it goes up and down real nice now. Okay. That's cool. I got a little bit of work to do to this. Just a little. Not very much. Slap some tires on it. Well, it's already got tires, so we don't need those. Look at this. I don't know what we were doing here, but that's gone. Wonder what the gas can smells like. You know that smell of just dried gasoline in a can? That's what that smells like. We got speakers in the door. Like I said to my wife, I said, you know, I haven't even sat in the 69, like at all. So right now I'm gonna sit down for the first time in this truck and give her a spin here. Oh, wow! I need to move the seat back. Well, that ain't working. All right. So it says we got 35,408.8 miles. I'm gonna say that's at least 135,000. Should be anyway. We got a tape player. That's cool. Factory AC right there. We got an ignition issue going on here. Yeah, it jump started with a screwdriver. That's for sure. Bunch of crap. We got a little vent hanging out there. We got a remote vent going on. We got a bunch of remote stuff going on in here. All the vents are gone. It's okay, there's the box. Here's the tag, that's cool. Don't know if you can read it. I don't want to rub on it too much. I want to clean that off. Rory's asking me what I want to paint it, and I said, I don't know, maybe purple, just like it is, because we got all this. All right, that's clean openable right there. We ain't got no rust in the door sills. That's all good. This is dirt. Oop. Well, that vent just came right up. I think it needs a rubber boot there. We're gonna go ahead and just leave that right there. Well, I want the air on me, so we'll do this. That one's missing over there. Got any goodies up here? Oh, what do we got here? Ball cap. Well, that's really nothing. Got some hose on the ground, a little bit right there, a little bit there. Vacuum hose. Hey, you know what's missing is a gas pedal. It's got a little rod right there. Floor it. I'm already doing it. I'm not too sure what the heck all this blue wire is. Probably from this stupid radio, but I don't know, because that ain't factory, that's for sure. This is a vent right there. Sure as day. What the heck is this thing? I don't know yet. I think it's an I don't know. What the hell that is. Check it out. So we're going to close that, pretend we never even looked in there, because at least the lock works. This thing's a little jacked up here. I don't need no visors anyway, so probably just take that off. Oh, it's going to come off by itself here. Watch this. There we go. There we go. That just come right on off. And this come right on off with it. Now you got no visor. Don't have to worry about it. I just put that right there. Flip that up. Out of the way so I don't hit my head. The mirror thing is kind of on. It's all right. It's good. All right, we're 6 minutes in now. The door panels are, well, they're fucked up. Yep. We do got speakers. It's got this fancy stuff on it right there. See it? The windows do roll up and down. The door lock may work. I don't know. We got, is this a head gasket? Nope, it's valve cover gasket. Yep, valve cover set right there. So we know it's got new valve cover gaskets. At least they're right here. Don't know if they're on. Is the Fel Pro? I don't know. Yep, Fel Pro. We got a light switch. Oh, we don't have a light switch. We got a light switch without a switch. Knobby thingy. It's got a knob. I can super glue that. That'd be fine. Now I'm just going to say that is not normal right there. Someone bent that door just a little too much, I think. Yeah, because the other side's flat. See? So this one is jacked up. Well, I got a welder. I fix it. Okay. Let's take another gander around. Use the plates. £5,000. The bed needs a little work. Seeing as how somebody welded a piece of steel in there that's not real great. That's okay though, because I don't care. Because the bed's coming out. And it's going to be a wooden bed because that's what I want. I want a wooden bed. Oh, there's some wood right there. No, not that. The tailgate is held up by that bungee cord. In fact, you can come on back here. Come on back. And we can just move it, see? But it does match. So that's super great, and it's straight. So that's good. Missing a tail light. This bumper's got to go. I'm not going to fix that because it's whacked up. And that's one of the reasons why I want to get to this, because I couldn't get the damn mower around this because it keeps getting hit on it. So this tail light's busted, so might as well not even be there. This side light's jacked up too. So then we got the dent. That's okay, because I could come underneath there and notice it's not dented right there. So I could pop that out, get back there. Pink! Got another speaker over here, that's messed up. This patina is something else, I'll tell you what. I don't know what the hell was on this thing, but it's ugly on there. I'll probably just not sandblast, but I'll pressure wash this thing now it's out here. Kind of get it cleaned up a little bit is what I need to do. So